To find the integral of cosecant x, we use a similar trick that we used for finding the integral of secant x. Now, in that video, I told if you want to find the integral of secant x, then writing 1 over cosine x is not going to be helpful. Oftentimes in trigonometry and calculus, we are told to convert everything to sines and cosines. And cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So writing integral of cosecant x as 1 over sine x is not going to help us because we don't have anything like quotient rule or chain rule for integration. And we will apply a similar trick that we used for secant x. And this is how we began there. And for cosecant x, let's start with the derivative of cosecant x. Notice that it is negative cosecant x cot x. And so the cosecant x derivative involves both cosecant x and cot x. And if you think about derivative of cot x, that's going to be negative cosecant square x. So cosecant and cot are intertwined this way. Cotangent's derivative involves cosecant, cosecant involves cosecant and cotangent. So if I use this trick, if I rewrite my integral cosecant x by multiplying and dividing, so I'm going to have cosecant x, and then I'm going to multiply and divide by cosecant x plus cotangent x. So let's do that. Cosecant x plus cotangent x. Cosecant x plus cotangent x. Then notice that your numerator is simply the derivative of the denominator. Maybe there is a negative sign. So if I were to take the derivative of this cosecant x plus cotangent x, so cosecant x plus cotangent x. My goal is to just integrate 1 over u instead of this or this. So look at this. What is the derivative of, and I can differentiate each term separately. Cosecant x has derivative negative cosecant x cot x, and cotangent x derivative is negative cosecant square x. So notice that's what I have up here. If I multiply, if I distribute that cosecant x, I get cosecant square x and I get cosecant x cot x. So I can rewrite my integral as cosecant square x plus cosecant x cot x over cosecant x cot x. So if I let u be this denominator, cosecant x plus cot x, then what I have up here is the opposite of u, because opposite of the derivative. So let me go ahead and write down du equals negative this thing. So since it's a binomial and they both have negative sign, let me factor out the negative, and then I get cosecant x cot x plus cosecant square x, and the derivative is this, so du over dx is going to be this. If I want du, then it's going to be the derivative times dx. So what I really have is the negative derivative. So I can pull the negative out, and so let me start on a fresh page. Cosecant x dx is simply negative du over u. That's what I have, because This is u and this is negative du. All of the numerator is negative du. So this happens to be negative natural log of absolute of u plus c, and convert this back to, so let me write down integral cosecant x dx is equal to negative natural log, and u was cosecant x plus cotangent x, cosecant x plus cotangent x plus c. So that's our answer for the integral of cosecant x.